All right, before we get into today's trading session video, I need to talk about something. What the hell is this? How the hell are we at 207 subscribers today? I feel like we just hit 100 in the beginning of March and we've already more than doubled that, and it's been exactly like a month right now. So you guys are absolutely insane. I appreciate it way more than you know. I was not expecting this channel to have 5 subscribers for the first year. So it's absolutely insane. And again, thank you. Thank you. It's definitely I think it's helping me trade, helping me improve my trading, having you guys help analyze things. Just the fact of me recording myself and having to sit there and edit it and then post those videos for other people to see makes me think a little bit about my trades before I get into them. So it's helping keeping me accountable, and then any of the feedback from you all has helped as well. So I really appreciate it. Yeah, I love it. For today's trades, we kind of went like red, green, I think. Anyways, a little bit of a roller coaster. Wasn't that big of a deal. I didn't go too deep into the red like I was a couple weeks ago. So I felt pretty calm the whole time. I did have like one bad trade. I recognized I jumped in. It was like FOMO because I felt like I missed out on an opportunity that I was thinking about, and I wasn't just trusting my first thought. So I kind of hesitated on the trade, waited, then got in, and at that point it was too late. So try to avoid that feeling. I know we all have that. It's really tough thinking about a setup, seeing it play out, and you didn't get in it. But take that opportunity to just build your confidence that, hey, next time I think that, I should get into it, instead of doing what I did today, whereas I saw it happen and then got in, and at that point the market had already moved that direction and it's just too late. So I did that today. I recognized it, got out, wasn't a big deal, was able to end the day green with a pretty decent trade. Both of my green trades today were pretty good. Unfortunately, I had some red trades in there too, so it didn't equal out to like a massive day, but any green day or break even day is a good day for me. As long as I'm not giving back, I feel okay. Even though you should feel okay having a red day, but we all strive to make money doing this. So enjoy the trades. Again, appreciate all of the support and keep it up, and I will see you all tomorrow. I think this previous day wick is a good point of like support. We came down and like tapped it, so I got in like a few points off of that. Got in at like the 100 level. It went down and touched 94, 93-ish. I also broke out my 5 contracts into separate, like take profits and stop losses. I'm gonna take all the take profits off though. And we will, if this continues in our direction, we will just move up our stops. So they're all broken out. There's 5. The funding control moved down on both charts. Had a couple green candles on AS, but still all red on NASDAQ. If this candle could turn green, we'd be in 10 points of profit right off the bat. Looking to maybe get out in the 20s. So what I'm going to do is just keep stacking these on top of each other, moving them up slowly. I don't know if I want to do that. This could stay in this channel for a little bit longer. Let's unstack some of these. Need to let it. This is the NASDAQ, so it does move quite a bit. Really thought if we made this push up into like in between 10 and 20, we'd really get the rotation up into the mid 20s too, with this like little valley of volume. This isn't good. I'm gonna move these up in case this comes down, which it looks like it's going to. I'm gonna kill that. This is just gonna keep, this feels like it's just gonna keep rotating down. NASDAQ already took that move, and then yes, looks like it's starting to. I guess we could have started de-risking once we were, I mean, we were in like 13-ish points of profit. I was kind of wanting to get to 20, so even if I did take some off up here, it probably would have just made me hold on longer, which if this continues in the downtrend, we may have ended up just giving back even more than what we did with just having all 5 losing contracts. So I don't know. We've been in these two between like 1.5 and 2 standard deviation downward trend this whole time, so I was kind of just fighting the trend and expecting a bounce there. When that wasn't going to happen, we could have just played this channel and bought towards the bottom and sold up here for a small profit, or waited for it to come up to the 1.5 and sold. At this point, we've already made a trade, and it's been in this channel for quite a while, for an hour, almost an hour and a half. So I don't know if I want to play that. We'll just wait for a different setup. NASDAQ just keeps making newer lows. The ES isn't. So I feel like if the ES does make a newer low, it's really gonna drag the NAS with it. I really want to go long again. I just do it. What? This? Why? Why are you doing this to me today? Oh, frickin', it's almost 10. This goes crazy at, if this goes crazy at 10, we're gonna get screwed right here. Really want to see ES break above this 07, 08. It could just rip up and fill this whole downward candle right here. Obviously I'm looking for rips up because I'm long and in the red. Need a little bit bigger push. Really want ES to get above 07. Oh, you just have to ask for it, I guess. Money control moved down, right? Wasn't it up at 300? I think this looks good. Break through 300. Or sorry, just the 100 level. Huge spike of volume, and point of control just moved up here. ES is still trying. The next on NASDAQ, I think the next like point to break through would be the 10. We can get above 10. I know we went up to 15 earlier, but I really want to try to get out in the 20s. All this volume is. Here we go. Let's see if we can get through 10. Put 2 contracts up here at break even. Come on. It's right there. The next stop could be up here at 55 too, with this wick on the daily. So we did break through 10, so let's move a couple more up to right below 100. I'll just put this guy up here. Last time we came up to 14.15, we had some rejection. We're trying. Right here, this is where we kept getting, this is where we got stuck last time. There we go, now we're getting up to 20. I'm gonna take 2 off. No? So we didn't quite get to 20, but at least we're like, they're all profit, in profit. Tempted to just take it all off. Let's just do that. The fact that we were like minus 200 and then in one trade we could get back to a little green, I think it's best to just go ahead and take that. I don't think I have it in me to see this go back down and then potentially come back up. Mentally it's hard to go red and then seeing a trade that could take you out of the red into the green. It's really hard to then watch that go back to the red and even deeper red. So just gonna take it while I can instead of risking it coming down. Breaking below point of control on the ES, and we're about to over here as well. I'm gonna just go short. I should have shorted up here. I was thinking about it, but just didn't pull the trigger. It did not feel like we were gonna break 20 again. May have gotten into this a little too late. I promise I was thinking about shorting up here and then pulling my stops to like 5 points of stop, but I didn't. And then watching that whole move makes me feel like I missed it, so then jump into a short. We'll see if this plays out. I'd like to get to at least like 84, 85. It's only 10 points of profit, but we kind of missed the big move already. Alright, I'm just gonna kill that. I should have pulled my stops down. I didn't really want to give back more than 100. This time, if we go up and test 20, there's a high chance we break through that. So I don't want to risk that. That was already a little more than I wanted on that trade. But it went from -90 to -140 real quick. This was just an all-around bad trade. I recognized that as soon as I jumped in, because I missed this 20-point move, which I should have just at least attempted, because my thought was short up here at 18.19 and move my stops to like 22, 23. So if that was a losing trade, it wouldn't have been very much, but the potential for profit was there. Could have been like a 20 to 30 point trade, which is huge. Then I missed it and jumped in way too late at the wrong time. Getting above the standard 1 deviation and then shorting at it is a bad idea, because obviously that acted like some support. The fact that it went down and tested that right around point of control, really, I'm definitely long biased again. Right here at this wick. I don't know if I want to buy right here though. I know I want to, but I don't know if I should. I'm just gonna go with my instinct. Or stops below this low that it just made. And this like 27 level was where I was looking at getting out of that previous green trade we had. Maybe we should add 5 when we get into the 20s. Just can't break into the 20s at this the hell? I was very confident we were going to. I feel like that tells us that if we do once we do break, it's gonna really rip up. Full 3-point rip. This is a 15-minute, so we got out of this range on the bottom, working our way back up this candle. Yeah, there's the rip I was feeling like we were gonna do. So I'm gonna move a couple up here to 20 and then move the rest to break even. It would be incredible if we could see ES just retrace this massive red candle back here. It's killing me right now not to just exit everything and put us back in the green, but just gonna let it play out. We're only down 140, and I mean this trade is up to 180 right now. We moved 3 of them up to break even, 2 up into the 20 level. So just let this, give it some time to see what it wants to do. If the market wants to give us more, let it give us more. It's feeling strong though. I'm gonna move 1 up real close. He's up a little. Up to at least 10 points of profit. So we got 2 locking in 10 points of profit, 2 locking in 13 points of profit, 1 locking in like 20-ish points of profit. I want to kill it so bad seeing 200 up here. And then quickly you don't see 200 anymore. I can't do it. I can't. I mean, we went from red to green to red. Did we go red, right? Yeah, we were just red and then green again. I can't. Yeah, I can't risk like coming back down. I mean, it wouldn't have been detrimental to our like goal or our PnL if we hit the stops that we had on the board, but I really wanted to at least end green for the day because green is better than anything. Granted, it's only $47 after commissions because we had a ton of trades, but it's pretty cool seeing that we're green even with only having a 42% win rate. I used to think that the only way I was going to be profitable with this would be to have a high win rate, but you don't have to as long as you make sure your green trades are larger than your red trades. But I used to aim for like an 80% win rate, but obviously you don't have to, because this, as long as this is a plus, you can be profitable and you can scale this up. We only worked with 5 contracts at a time today. This could have easily been 10 contracts at a time, which would have doubled this. Could have been 20 contracts at a time. Somebody asked for just a recap of the current account after each day, which is a great idea. We had a small green day today. This is my report for the lifetime of this account. We're only up $270. I believe we've traded 3 days now, the 5th, the 6th, and the 10th. So it's almost roughly $100 a day. Not bad. I think I can do better, so that's what we're working towards, but any profit is good profit. We started out on the 50K account with Apex Trader. If you missed the 80% off coupon, I do have a 50% off coupon in the description, and if you want to click my link, that would be wonderful. If not, just go to apextrader.com. If you want to sign up for a prop firm, you have to on this account I have to get to $53,000, and once I do, then they'll give me a live account which has real money, and then any of the money I make I can keep up to the first like 25K, and then after that it's like a 90-10 split. And we cannot we have a trailing threshold of 2,500, so yeah, whatever 2,500 minus this is, that's our minimum balance that we have to maintain, or we fail the count and we have to start over. And this is number 4 on this channel, so not a good track record so far, but I swear I've passed one of these before, and then I failed in the funded account, which prompted me to create this channel to try to help keep me accountable and show others the process. So if you are wanting to jump into trading, a prop firm is great because it's a lot cheaper than putting your thousands of dollars in to trade with first. And yeah, if you're doing one and you're following along, we can do this together. It's a pretty lonely journey, so hopefully you can meet some people here and we can all share our experiences. Again, I've said it 1,000 times in this video, I really appreciate the support, and I will catch you guys later.